Look no further than the 2011 GMC Canyon. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this handsome GMC Canyon, the midsize pickup with impressive towing and hauling capabilities, a choice of engines including V6 and diesel, and a smooth, agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, power steering. Take advantage of the utility and comfort this well-designed Canyon has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.